Whether you are decorating for a small indoor gathering or a backyard extravaganza, these candle holders will illuminate your surroundings with a patriotic red, white, and blue glow. If you need a quick last-minute decoration, these are so simple to put together that you'll have them finished and displayed and still have time to spare before your guests arrive. Take a peek in your pantry. It's likely you may already have the ingredients. All you need is rice, good old-fashioned food coloring, stemless wine glasses, and flameless tea light candles. Make sure to use flameless tea lights as rice does catch on fire and we don't want to end up with a blazing inferno. These will help make those special warm spring and summer nights last even longer and can be enjoyed by you and your guests for several months.